Good afternoon. George Cavaligos for Naked Trader. A little tougher trade today. No blatant hourly signals one way or the other. If you're able to buy the dip on the initial headline of the CPI number, I think some news services put the initial headline as 4% increase instead of 0.4% increase this morning, and the market sold off real quick. I think the 10-year traded all the way down to 118.19, and then it snapped back even quicker once the robots realized that they made a mistake. Market then proceeded to trade higher as I guess the jobless claims number sort of prompted some of that. Geopolitical risky headlines, I guess, nasty things being tossed back and forth between Iran and Israel again, and riots in Bahrain, and the usual stuff that the world goes through. But the bonds and notes, we traded up today. We got right up to 119.07 plus on the 10-year. I had highlighted the 119.04 to 119.06 area. There's the old lows at 06, and we have the 38% fib retracement up at 119.04 that I think is a pretty significant resistance area. We'll get a little bit of a pullback off of there. I think we traded down to 118.29 after that, and we're just kind of drifting around 119 even right now. Still going through this sort of sideways to higher trade here. Corrective pattern with a lot of overlapping highs and lows. Tomorrow, no news. Buyback tomorrow, and I think people will still be a little nervous about the geopolitical situation. I think that kind of keeps the market in this sideways to higher pattern here. I don't know if we got enough ammo in the market to get us all the way up to that 119.20, 18 to 20 area that we've been highlighting. It's the 50% retracement of the sell-off. There's also that spike high from the unemployment number up at 119.22 that I think the market is trying to gun for and try to retest her at some point. But it's still this old, two steps forward, one step back trade. And just jobbing it from the short side is still my favorite way to trade it here, guys. If anybody bought those weekly 10-year options that we highlighted a week or so ago, might be time to start looking at taking some profits on those. Have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow morning in the email.